She's going crazy. Are you guys ready to go to the water park?
Look at
Ari.
Why are you going to me? I'm getting a blueberry ribbon.
This one is just overly excited. We have been back in the hotel for another week. We are going, it is just me and the girls this time. It's Bella, Ari, and Zahara, and Daddy's been at work, so I've been entertaining the girls. We are going to be going for like a little birthday gift to Ari. It was her birthday, and so I'm going to take them to the water park and we're going to enjoy the day there. But first we have a a Target pickup haul to go and do. Our ice chest broke, so I need another ice chest, and I grabbed a couple other things like swim diapers for the baby and whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go on out, and so this is what I'm gonna be wearing. I just got some shorts on, and then my bathing suit top, and then this is like a cover up. I got my bathing suit underneath here, but this is what I'm wearing, and we're gonna be going to the water park. Alrighty people, we are here. Bella is hiding. We are here. We are waiting for our Target. I keep wanting to say Walmart, but we're waiting on our Target pickup order. Make sure, I just want to say this, make sure that you guys watch when you guys are placing orders, because I had placed an order back where our home is at the Target from our home, and it was a Starbucks order, and it added it to my order. I mean, I'm not mad about it, but I would have rather used my points and my card rather than pay for it, you know. So just make sure you guys watch that, because they like to sneak stuff in there. But we are here, we are waiting. I don't know, I'm not really a person that doesn't Hi Ari. Zahara's back there. Oh, already? Okay, well, I didn't want her to take a nap right now, but she's sleeping. So we are going to wait on our order, and then we're gonna probably get some gas and some ice, and we're headed to the water park. Are you excited?
No.
No?
I'm playing, yeah.
She don't want to be seen. She's hiding.
Mom, don't show me.
Alright, bye guys.
Just give it a risk.
You guys think that having a car full of boys is bad? Wanna hear what I'm dealing with?
Leaving this city behind right now, together by the campfire light, to sing this song. Kiki Walker, hanging out with someone new and balling out on a camp canoe. What's that smell? It's on your shoe. Kiki Walker. Got us more in our hair, mosquitoes in our underwear. Showers broke, but we don't care. Kiki Walker. This is our home, away from home, away from home, away from home. But watch your back. Abandon state my phone. Kiki Walker. Dang, Billy, you don't know the song.
Help.
I haven't watched you.
We haven't even left yet.
I haven't watched Bunked in a while. Why is it not here? I got a bug bite under my leg. It's your fault, Mom.
Well, how is it my fault that you got a bug bite?
You transfer into a bug at night.
And I bite people?
Yes, you bit the bottom of my leg.
Help.
You gonna like the video? Oh, I don't like that. That's not super. What are you gonna say?
It's already recording.
Oh. Hello, guys. We're going to the water park.
Did your booty itch? Water park!
Does your booty
Be appropriate. See what I deal with, guys? This is what I deal with.
We're gonna go to the water park.
We're getting gas. We picked up our order, and we're gonna go to the water park.
That's very Sigma Riz.
Oh my God, goodbye.
Wait, I have one thing to say. I can't turn water into wine, but I can turn you into mine.
Oh.
What there is.
Are you ready to go? No?
Hot.
It's hot? Well, that's why you're gonna go get in the water. We made it, guys. We're here at the water park. Here we go. We got a lot of stuff to do. Have fun. Then they can have lunch after. They piled the baby in here. She needs to move her shorts out of there. Both of them do. So I'm gonna get the baby out of here and let her go over there to play. And we will see. Hold on. Makari. Oh. We decided to come back to have a say hi, to have a snack. You having a snack? And see if we can get her down for a nap. It's about 3 o'clock. It's not working. But I'm eating some cantaloupe. Hold on, let me grab her. We're having some cantaloupe. Here, look. Here you go. And then we're having some prosciutto. With cantaloupe. Yeah. Yeah. I love you. Look. You got mommy? Hi, Zahara. And a baby? Some mango. Yeah, I got some mango. So good. And so good. Okay, I guess for her.